Hello, I'm Don Maxwell from Live IT Academy. I'll be your instructor today. Uh, we'll be covering Excel 2016. Specifically, uh, we're going to be looking at creating a worksheet. Now, almost every organization collects vast amount of data. Often, data is consolidated into summary so that people in the organization better understand the meaning of this data. Now, Excel worksheet allows data to be summarized and charted easily. And as we know, a chart is visual and it presents your data in a professional way. Now, in this lesson, you will learn how to create and work with Excel worksheet. What is a worksheet? A worksheet is an electronic grid in which you can perform numeric calculations. You can use a worksheet for many purposes, such as analyzing sales data, calculating a loan payment, organizing inventory, and displaying data, as I said, using a chart. Now, an Excel file is called a workbook. A workbook contains one or more worksheets. People sometimes refer to a worksheet in a workbook as a spreadsheet. Now, we will use a series of objectives, of topics to build on your understanding of Excel. Some objective that we're going to cover under this topic are navigating a workbook, enter labels and values, work with columns and rows, use formulas, simple formulas, use the AutoSum, change alignments and number formats, enhance a worksheet, and you'll be previewing and printing some of your worksheets. Now, as I said, data is collected, but we need it to be meaningful and useful information. So Excel is that application that converts that collection of data into meaningful and useful information. So you'll be learning how to solve business problems once you have a commanding understanding of Excel. Proceed to the topics, focus on the exercises, and you will gain great knowledge on how to use Excel to solve business problems. Good luck, guys, and I will be talking to you in each topic that you're covering in Excel. Good luck.